lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul, God, get at your boy. You try to bogart, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some?
I see them long, hard times to come. Alright, what's going on, everybody? Me and Nicole are doing a road trip today, Saturday, January something. We're going to cruise down and see one of her family members, and then we are going to go out and hit up a fast food place that I have not got to eat at forever, and Nicole has never had, and that's going to be a surprise. I'll show it to you when we get there. It's going to be a pretty good road trip. I think altogether, round trip, it's going to be 3.5, 4 hours. And after 5 years, it's the first road trip me and Nicole's ever actually taken together. That's this long anyways. So we'll show you some of the sights and sceneries on the way. Other than that, just stay tuned. Well, we just got to Sedalia, Missouri. That's where we're going to meet up with her cousin. We traveled through Knob Noster, where Whiteman Air Force Base is, and that's actually where I was born, but I did not record that because you really can't see anything from the town from the highway. We're kind of a little bit off on time schedule here, so we didn't really have enough time to stop and actually drive in there. It's quite a bit off the roadway. So we're going to meet up with her cousin. She's going to see her for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna head to go to this fast food joint that I'm itching to go to, and then we are going to go home and probably go through my hometown maybe on the way. So I'll catch back up with you guys in just a few minutes. So this is Sedalia, Missouri. Used to be quite a small actual farm town. It's how it started out life, and this is now where the state fair and everything is held. It has grown quite big in population over the years. I can remember when I was a kid, this was still a very small farm town. Still is a farm town, but it's grown quite a bit. If we had more time, we'd actually go hit this other restaurant that's right here in town. I can't remember the name of it though. I'll think of it after a while. But they're famous for their peanut butter and jelly burgers, and they are amazing. I love them. I haven't had one in for now. Look at Nicole's face. She's like, "What the hell are you talking about?" It's actually really good. It really is. But shit, I can't believe I can't remember the name of the place right now. Damn it. But anyways, so she got to see her cousin, and we're gonna go drive for a little bit and go hit up this other restaurant. That'll be a surprise when we get there. about, I'll say right around 20 more minutes to go where we're going, and then turn around and drive back. So all day long, swinging back to my hometown. Probably been on the road for, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours, maybe. So a pretty good day driving. I don't know how she feels about it. She's bored out of her mind. But she wanted to take a road trip too, so here we are. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Alright, we are in Columbia, Missouri. And we are pulling up to our destination before we go back home. It's a destination I know a lot of you love, and I know it's a destination a lot of you hate. But that's it right over there. Motherfucking White Castle. It's kind of sad we have to drive 2 hours almost just to get to White Castle. But here we are. I haven't had it in a long time. Nicole has never had White Castle, so it's going to be an experience for her. Hopefully it's still as good as it always has been. Okay, so we're leaving White Castle. I got 10 sliders and some fries. Nicole only got 2 chicken sliders. She, you've eaten like the frozen ones before, right?
No.
You haven't even eaten the frozen?
No, I don't like onions so much.
Oh, yeah, that's right. She doesn't like onions. She hates onions, so kind of makes sense. But I'm sure she'll try one of my sliders and see how she likes old White Castle. It is a acquired taste. Not everybody likes White Castle. So now we are
Gonna stop and try our food.
We're going to stop and what?
Eat our food.
Yeah, we're going to stop and probably eat somewhere. At least eat some of it, most of it, all of it. I don't know. I got to get some gasoline.
Right here, quick trip.
Huh?
Quick trip.
And there just happens to be a quick trip right here. So I guess we're just going to stop here.
Oh, look, we have coupons for a place that we don't even live by.
Oh, okay. Coupons?
Coupons.
We got coupons. All right. Well, cool. We got coupons. I'll pull in the quick trip, get some gas. I'm almost down on a couple of these sliders anyway. I probably should have got 20. Could have ate some more later on, but I only got 10. Because if anybody likes White Castle or eats White Castle before, you know them White Castles, you can eat 1,000 of them and really still not be even full. So I'm gonna get some gas and I will talk to you guys in a minute. All right, here we go. First one. First real White Castle burger I've had in quite a few years. Oh, god damn. It's so good. Oh my god, it's so good. You ready to take a bite and try it?
I guess. Is it filled with onions?
Huh?
Is it filled with onions?
It is hide right there. I mean, that was a little bitty bite, but
Tastes like a McDonald's McDouble.
it don't taste like no damn McDonald's. How dare you? How dare you rate this with McDonald's?
I mean, they're not bad, but
Oh man. Fucking love White Castle. Alright, where's your at? Your little chicken things. Alright, let's see what she likes her little chicken things.
here's your fry. I'm pretty sure these ones are mine. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're so tiny.
Little chicken sliders. I've never had one of those, so I don't know how good they are or anything.
It's just cheese and chicken.
Or just cheese and chicken on bun?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, not great, but not bad.
I would never buy it again.
Okay.
Yeah. That one at least.
Is it edible though?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would rather have a hamburger, honestly.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna sit here and chill out, eat a little bit, and start heading back. So y'all just hang on and wait. I'll be back in a little bit. Okay. All right, so it's actually like 30 minutes later, and we're still in Columbia, Missouri, because we stopped at Quick Trip and we put gas in the truck and we ate. And then Nicole decides that she didn't like her chicken, her little chicken burgers. It didn't taste very good. I tried one and she was right. It didn't taste very good. So we went back to White Castle and she bought a fucking 30-pack crate box to take back with us. And I mean, and we'll share it with some folks, but she bought a 30 fucking crate box.
Oh, yeah, my mac and cheese.
And she got a little, the mac and, what is it called?
The niblets and their fried mac and cheese.
Okay, so obviously we can't get back on I-70 going this direction.
Well, you're the one that messed up.
Well, we're gonna hit a U-ey real quick. We'll go back.
It's okay.
I thought that L road would take us to the next exit. Anyways, also you're gonna show them your fantastic shirt.
Oh yeah. It says White Castle down the side of the sleeve. You know, it was only a $20 shirt.
And
No
why
big
did you
deal.
get that?
Why did I get my shirt?
Yeah, why did you get a White Castle shirt?
For memories.
For memories. She's never been to White Castle, and probably will be a long time before we ever come back.
I have to go big or go home. Get a
So-
30-pack and a shirt.
30-pack. Alright, so well that's the highway we want on the interstate, and we want to be going that direction.
This way.
Yeah. Columbia used to be, this is Columbia, Missouri, CMSU, Central Missouri State University, the Missouri Tigers football team, Missouri Tigers basketball team. College, that is, for those of you that don't know. We used to have a great college football team. Actually didn't do too bad this year, but then we changed the conference into a different conference, and ended up being last all the time. Anyway, so we're gonna hop back on I-70 right up here and start heading back. Gotta head towards Kansas City westbound. So we'll hit y'all back up after a while. Growing up, this is I-70 Motorsports. It's actually the racetrack I grew up going to and racing at. They're doing a bunch of work. That is where the new drag race is supposed to be, and they actually built a new circle track there already. And they were supposed to open last summer. They did not because of COVID and a bunch of bullshit. Everything got pushed back. Supposedly, what I hear, they're going to open this year. So I'll actually build a legit drag race, and this is actually only about, I can make my house from here in about 35-40 minutes. But right now we're getting off the interstate and we're gonna cruise to Lexington. We're gonna go that way, and that's my hometown. What stop sign? What that fucking bitch comment on that one video. So now we don't stop at stop signs? Nah, bitch, we don't stop at stop signs. Anyway, so we'll catch you back when we hit Lexington.
That red house is kind of cool.
Yep, that's been there forever. One of my buddies grew up there. I'm not gonna do like a whole bunch of video on this right now. I'm on my hometown. This summer I plan on coming down here on the bike and actually doing a video on this town. It's actually a very historic town. It is an old Civil War town. A lot of old houses, a lot of old buildings. And then the Battle of Lexington was fought here. And it has the courthouse. It actually has a cannonball still stuck in it from the Civil War that was fired, and it got stuck in there, obviously. But it's the distance that it was fired from is what the amazing thing about it was. Well, we're gonna come up here, driving up on the house I grew up in. I've actually kept tabs on the house, and it just sold. Yeah, that's the yellow one right there. That's the house I grew up in, and it just sold. There's there's people there. Last time I was here, nobody was here. That's cool. Like the Wentworth Military Academy, it's not in operation anymore. It's actually way over there. Big old church. So we'll come back sometime this spring, summer, and do a real video here. But we need to turn back and get to a highway and start heading back to the city. Alright, well, I didn't end the video yet. I forgot to. Probably should have just entered it a long time ago. But we're driving another 20 minutes. But yeah, this will be the end of the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, leave your comments. Hopefully it edited out to be a pretty good video. Oh, I'm sorry, bitch. Am I not going fast enough for you? So anyways, like I said, comment, subscribe, like, share, and I will catch you on the flip side later.